What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over these solar powered floodlights. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and start unpacking this thing. Okay, good, that's paper. I thought the tape got stuck, but this have a protection paper on it. There we go. There we go. Now it looks good. This thing says it does 3,500 lumens. I am going to use it for my backyard. So just in case some creature want to walk in the backyard, the light will come on. Now this is not app connected. As you can see, we got two remotes. You do get anchors in case you're going to put this into a hollow wall. And I believe these are the mounts. All right, you guys, so if you're like mechanically inclined, or if you've been doing this for a while, then you could kind of figure this out without looking at instructions most of the time or some of the time. So here you go, right here. All right. And assuming that this goes on like this. Oh, it has the dome right there. Maybe backwards. My bad, you guys. Oh no, I was right. It just don't want to go on. All right, you guys. So yeah, if you're mechanically inclined, then you probably could do this by yourself, right? But we are going to go over the instructions because this thing is new to us, and we're doing this for the viewers that need the instructions. And the first thing I could say is the instructions is not long at all. Now let's see what it says on the first step. It says press the button on the back to select the mode you want, then choose a place that can get enough sunlight or sunshine. I said sunlight, well, same thing. Now I'm gonna put it right here where I feel as though it's the center of the field. I left the instructions up, so they did tell us to install this first. I got this part here. I'm gonna install it like this first, but I don't know if I don't think it has to be installed like this. I believe it has to be installed like this with the slot going up. So we are going to do that. And you guys, this is not permanent. You can move it. Great. Oh, and another thing, these screws, I don't think gonna be like rust proof or anything, or they're not exterior screws. So don't expect them to like not rust. And they're crappy, so I'm gonna use my exterior screw that I just have laying around for no reason. Ah, that one too. I should have used my drill bit. All right, you guys, I'm gonna do this again. I'm not gonna do it too tight so I don't break my plastic right here, you guys. So double check your settings on your drill gun, and you want to just make sure you get this level. That's just me for my OCD. So once again, it's just snug. I did not try to put any force to it, so that way it don't break. Now we have our extension part right here. And with this, you have your knob where you can loosen it. You could bring this up, down, up, down. It looks like it has two screw holes right here. So I guess if you lose this, you could just screw that up manually. Pushing down. All right, and it's in. All right. Now, before I slide this part on, I'm going to connect this little connector right here. And it looks like it's just a push in, push and twist. This is something like our fountains, you guys, the solar fountains. Then we have the thread. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. This looks like it got two ways you could put on. I did notice that. So you see it got the slot right there, and then it has another slot here where it has the little dome on it. Oh, okay, so now I see how you install this side. Oh, it's two ways you install this. Can I take this off to show y'all? I'll show y'all when I go back upstairs. The way I got this is with the little slit in the middle right there, and then you see the slit right there. So we are going to put it on like this. Aha. Nice. Okay, you guys, so the wire is pretty long. Feel like I got longer than 10 foot. Seems like it's 12 foot. Could be 12 foot, you guys. Once I look at the description, I'll give you the final measurements. You see right here, got two screw holes. I'm going to use alien tape, put it on my vinyl railing with alien tape, and that way I could aim it the direction of the sun, and that will be it, so it can charge. As for it being regular, it already has a regular charge to it. And yeah, see y'all upstairs. Okay, you guys, so as soon as I step out of my back door onto the deck, it comes right on. Now I have it aiming directly to me. The remote, I believe, may not work from here. Let's see. I'm gonna turn off. Yeah, so for the remote to work, you have to be really, really, really close. So that's not really I guess a thing that you really need. You don't really need the remote. So right now it's on mode 1, which is recommended. Okay, now mode 1 is recommended because the light come on for like 20 seconds and then turn off, and it stays on the bright mode when it comes on, but for like 20 or 30 seconds it cuts off. And I believe that's when it senses no motion. But if you're still in motion, then it will probably stay on, I believe. But we will test that out right now as I walk, as I walk to the other one. Now the other one here is on mode 2, which I believe mode 2 is the dim light stays on when it senses that it's nighttime outside. So right now the dim light is on, but if I walk in front of it, the light will turn on. All right, I already tested that. It works, you guys. But yeah, and kind of don't want to walk down there again because I already tripped. So I think I need another light, like maybe over here, aiming towards the patio. That would be nice. So be on the lookout. Might get another light for that. But this is dim light stays on mode. So this, I believe, is mode 2. And as you can see, the light never turned off, so it still senses me. And mode 3 is for the light to stay on. When it's nighttime, the light will stay on at its full brightness. So in that mode, it might die a little bit faster. But let me see if the remote works right here. Turn off. Nope. Closer, closer, closer. And it only works when I'm this close. Now I just turned it on, and wow, that was bright. So I just turned it on now, and let's see if it stays on the same mode. Right now I'm gonna walk back here and just try to stay still as possible. Let's see what happens if it turns off. We're going to give it 20 seconds, you guys, but this light is pretty good. I think I might aim it or put it on the fence in the corner. That way it's aiming downwards. So yeah, it turned off. So I might put it on the fence over there. Oh, well, let me just walk a little bit. All right, so y'all see I just walked just a tiny bit. So I might put it on the corner there, aim it down this way. I don't know yet, but yeah. So other than that, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns about these lights, please put it in the comment section. I'm definitely going to get back to you as soon as possible. I will be going through all the comments and trying to answer everyone's questions. I know I've been backed up, you guys, but I just been a little busy, that's all. So yeah, so as you can see, this light mode stays on completely, but it's dim. It's not at full brightness. When something walks in front of it, it will get full bright. Once again, I already tested that. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.